Another thing we can see here is look at the wastegate port. If you can see, this will be the gasket. It's the same size as the flange for when it goes up here on the wastegate. We still have all of this extra layer of manifold material. Whoever designed this manifold did a really bad job. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a Dremel tool or with a grinding stone, and we're going to grind not all the way, but a lot of the material that's left on the manifold. And the reason we want to do that is because this little piece here will create overboosting issues. Let's say you have your wastegate set up with a 15 psi spring, and you're tuned for that, and you put it on here with this material being left there. You're gonna have overboosting issues. You might have 21, 22 psi, and you might mess up the engine. So if we take this off, we're gonna have better airflow exiting out the wastegate, and we won't have any overboosting issues.
Alright, so whoever designed this manifold is an idiot. I had to make new studs for the second one because it won't fit right here. The second one, fourth one, the fifth one, and all it is a M8 by 1.25 bolt times 35, which 35 is the length. But all you gotta do is just cut the head of the bolt and thread the stud in, and then just get a nut that matches the bolt, and that should be good.
Juvenile hot, 1,000 degrees. Tryna find a girl that's way out of my league. In the first place and you second to me. Every single day you know I might have your mouth. Don't say a word if it's drugs in the house. I'ma call code red if it's bloods in the house. West Coast shit, man, I feel like Kane. Dress getting long, man, I feel like Wayne. Ball all day, but I still ain't playing. Work so hard, make you feel that pain. I make it rain like a million Katrinas. Me and my brother gon' pack out arenas. I feel like Martin is millions and Ginas. I'm bringing that work like I'm Gilbert Arenas. You stepped in me wrong and you gotta be crazy. If it's on my body, you gotta be wavy. Call up my dogs if you tryna get rabies, cause no one is safe but the women and babies. Oh boy, don't that I'm playing right now. I don't care about shit, I'm the man right now. No D.